U Menteri Rengba Kejela u Conrad ke sangma ni de lahir u chakachnong Dangar wakachnong Kenmynsaw kiwa hapo ka Mausen Ramblong East Khasi Hills Wyrta ule chakiyung wa kiwa yap ni ur khyndaw ini wadem hei wada ule ya ka poisa yarap kam wasulang uwi wa yap chakiw yatogi kam wo penkenmu wa hai ur khyndaw i wada jia hadangar da sangut ki wado ye mynsien wa kentup ya songut ki khna katwa Kenmynsaw da do ye mynsien ki wachi kurim hadin wa ur khyndaw weda ki chadin ya lingut ki khon u Conrad da kularo le wo i yarap chakitha wa chakta we open biang le ye boarding wa ka mobile network ki wada chakta hakini ki thaw hakani ki sngi de lang le o MLA ka Mausen Ram u Himalaya shang pliang u Alvin Saukmi MDC ka DC ki East Khasi Hills wa ki vide.
Okay, so we are here in Kenmynsaw village, and the first time we have come this side, and as you can see, it's quite a ride, and at the same time, the scene was so beautiful. We've come here to meet some of the family members of the deceased who had during this flood season they had lost their lives. So we just come to meet the family members, and it's quite a bit of walk from here also. So we'll catch up a bit later. Oh, look at that. Yes. Kerten bumlo.
Dangar kita sama.
Thôi, generation by ini yung wa umni yung umni ba? Yes. That's the amount of rain that's there.
She's the answer. Allah. Pwede meeting re. She's the answer. Di imisan ano?
Misan ng klan pa.
Oh, ang friend na. She's the answer. Okay.
Nice how you come. Yeah. So they the of grandparents. So you want to hand over this like this thing here or
No. That will be done there.
okay?
Yeah.
Just want to be clear, you know. Small children and our sister who lost her life. I first of all would express my deepest condolences to all of you for the demise and the death of the little children and of your daughter and of your younger sister. It was a very tragic incident that happened, and on behalf of the government, we are all here to share your sorrow and also to support in whatever way possible to help all of you get through this very, very difficult time. From the government side, as has been mentioned by the Honorable MLA, that there is an ex gratia amount of 4 lakhs per deceased, which will be amounting to total of 20 lakhs. And the BDO will sit with all of you, the family members, and decide on how we should move forward. But the sanction from the government side has been done, and we will be giving the sanction letter to you. We have already sanctioned 4 lakhs per deceased, and the money will be given to the family members. Apart from that, we have also started restoring the power lines, and I'm hopeful that we should be able to get back the power very soon. Apart from that, even the roads that are blocked, we are taking extra care to ensure that the road connectivity also is brought back to normal. I'm aware that the entire road connectivity in this region has been affected, and even before that, the road connectivity was bad through the plain areas. And you are aware that we as a government have sanctioned the road, and I'm also happy to inform you, there was a bridge called? Yeah. The bridge over Kasimara area, the bridge will be also sanctioned in the next few days, and we're hopeful that that bridge also, the construction of that work will start very, very soon. And once the Kasimara bridge is done, that will also help the people of this region and of this area, and I'm sure that that will be a great connectivity for the people of this region.